Hey, welcome back. That's right, recycling. We got us another oldie. Pinex Elite. Oops, sorry. Let me stay off. Let me come out. Let me say this from the get-go. We're not in the resale business. We're in the recycling business. So stay tuned and we'll get the outer shell off and we'll open it up and see what's inside. Beam me up, Scotty. Nice heavy shell. Oh, yeah, good tread weight. Alright, let's flip her down slowly. Oh, it's a colored board, but it's got some goodies in it. It's all good. It's all recycling. Oh yeah. Pull the clip, pull the clip. Pop some wires off. All kinds of good. Ooh, I see a. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on, Sally. There you go. Oh, like butter. Like butter. This one. That one. That one. And one more. Oh. Take that back. Okay, let me see if I can bring it back a little. Get them wires off of there. Lift this card up. There's one. There's two with a lot of fatties on there. Yeah. Come on. There's three gold fingers. Oh, one more. 4. Would have been nice. We could have got that E-prong. Oh well. Alright, now. Lots of wires. That's good. Lots of wire means lots more gold. Ooh, that's some funky looking ram sticks. Funky. Pull these metal pieces off. Set this aside. This sucker's nice. Nice, lovely drill. Why I waited so long? Oh well. Clean shred. Now, this stuff. Oh, the struggle can be real with my hands. Pull that ribbon out. Pull that ribbon out. Power cord. Come on now. Pull the wires out of there. little twist that plastic. That's something. Come on now. Trim that off for the time being. Get this board out of here. Do. Oh, there's still another card in here. My bad. There's still another card. Alright. Now we got a screw back here. One right here. For a colored board, it's got a lot of nice components. More. Alright, what I do with it? Little screwdriver. I put it away. Oh, we got ourselves a Pentium. Nice. Lovely. Slowly getting up there. We got like just almost a pound of these. I'll give you the price before the video's over with. And that's a large socket motherboard. Very nice. Those can be pulled, those can be removed, but we want to leave them in there. And then these are weird looking RAMs. Very different. Houston, we're having trouble. Come on now. Not like the newer ones, that plastic. Come on now. It's very difficult. Nice and beefy. Oof. Yeah, it's silver, but still nice beefy chips. If you're into gold recovery. And it's got weight to it, even if you were to sell them, they're boardy short. Alright, what else am I forgetting? Anything on here? Oh, we got a couple of heat sinks, but no battery? Wow. Okay. Let's get the other goodies out. Now, I gotta remove this front face. It has clips. Push these clips down. Pry on the front. Nope. Go back with the little one. Even if he gives you crap for it. Come on now. Oh, there goes the warranty. Normally, they just pop in clips and releases. It's got to fight me. And I could turn the camera off and come back and be like, look, surprise! Ah, what's the point of that? see the struggles. Let's raise you up. There goes a few screws on my laps. Well, Nancy. May not be the right way, but I'm getting into it. And that's all that matters. We're not reselling it, so it doesn't matter to me if I break the front. Went to the scrapyard. You know what the claw would do to it? Totally destroy it. At least there's a little bit of recycling going on here. Keeping it out of the landfill. Something's got to be better than nothing. Man. There we go. Brute force. Alright. Was there screws here and I didn't realize it? Yep. That's why. Yeah, I know. I'm sure somebody's laughing at me, but that's alright. I just learned a valuable lesson the hard way. Story of my life. Alright, we have a screw there. Oh, you're probably all out of wacky. I don't know. I have to bring the camera back down. Oh, man. This one don't mess with my camera. Alright, there's a screw here. And a scrap puck. Oh. Yeah, need a bigger bench. Need a bigger desk. There we go. Are we free? Power supply, all the wiring right here. We will come back to that. I got that. Flip it over because we got some more screws. She's trying to escape. Oh, boy. Nope. Scorpion rolled up. You're gonna laugh when you see this video. I totally made a dumb sat there and fought like there's no tomorrow. There's our hard drive. April of '97. Nice. Alright, we have another power wire to pull off. Come on, man. We take some screws off. Come on. Oh, ground wire. What's going on now? Oh, sorry, I forgot the very last screw, y'all. With a 3-inch floppy. Okay, raise you back up. Make sure this carcass is empty, and it's not. For We got the fan. Cause just like my friend on YouTube, Scrap It All, we scrap it all too. Speaker's metal, stays on the shred pile. Fan fell down there, but we'll bear it. Scorpion's over here trying to make a mess. I'm trying to do productiveness. Alright, let's see what we got off of here. We got the ribbon wire, computer ribbon wire. We have gold ends. We will be cutting them. You can send them to board sort. Same with the ones on here. But we keep it for harvest, for gold recovery. Same with that one. We got an aluminum heat sink with the copper bearing motor fan on it. We'll clean this all up. We have another one plug with gold recovery bins. We got some old LEDs. We'll trim the wires off of that. 2 sticks of RAM, silver trim RAM, but nice thick chips on there.
Just the tip?
Look. I don't think they suckers.
Yeah.
They're thick, but it's silver. That's alright. We got another gold fingered RAM card. Gold fingered card. What it was used for, I don't know, because we don't do resale. Trust me. There's times I wish we could. Most contracts say no, so don't bother. That one. We got 4 of them. Very nice. No, 5 of them. I'm sorry. And then we have the 3D flop. This we don't break down. We send these right to board sort. The hard drive, we will break it down. That's got the gold fingers on there, so therefore that's a non-SATA? Gold finger? Non-SATA?
Correct.
Non-SATA board, which pays like 15 and change per pound. And then we have the CD-ROM, which pays, it's gold fingered, so it pays $5.50 a pound, I roughly think it is. March of 1997. Well, we'll break it all the way down, separate it all out.
That come out that old computer?
Yeah.
It's probably a good board in that thing.
Yeah.
Big old thing.
And then we have the main board, which these are E-prongs because you can pop them out. But I'm not going. Well, maybe we'll see if I can't pop one out. No. They look removable. And you can. Oh, there you go. You can sell these separate to board sort. 1985.
What, the EPROMs?
Yeah.
Whatever?
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, you can sell them online too.
Yeah. So. And then that's it. Thanks a lot for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. And for those that want to tell me about resale, go right ahead. I don't mind. Take care. Oh, I hope this thing was on. Yeah.